Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is about my first driving robot Mydfir, and it's with the robo interface driven by a battery and also, quite important, with connection with the data link. So it's radio frequency driven, connected to a laptop. Reason for this new video, number 87, is that in the latest convention a few days ago it turned out that this robot didn't do a thing. Something in the source code. And that inspired me to test if this actually does work with active sonar, with color recognition, with line following and all the lights on here. So without further ado, let's test and see if the errors do repeat. And then we continue with the screencast with a diagnostic interface, terminal for the screen output, Genie editor for the code, and obviously the camera, which also serves as a microphone for this recording. So that may explain why my voice is somewhat softer. Anyway, let's select for testing the correct interface, and that's a good one. So let's try to run first, but also see if sonar works out. But seemingly it doesn't do a thing. So that's not good. Anyway, motors try out. Yeah. That's no problem. Motor 2 doesn't do a thing. Motor 3. Which means I have to look for motor 1 and motor 3, which is no problem. They're working, so that's a nice thing to know. Then this is doing nothing. That's red, that's good. Motor 3, that's the white light, doing good. Red again, why would that be? Oh, because I didn't shut down this one. I don't see blue responding yet. This is white. Alright. Anyway, time to use the software to run. Close the interface and go for it. So now that it's verified that most of the things work, let's put it good and correctly over the line. There's no object that it can influence by the sonar, and by the way, the sonar didn't work out, so I have to look at it, but driving is more important. And this one stopped again. Alright. This is a newer version of Linux, so I may have to look into that before I can get it to right. And this may just have been a slight typo error and a problem with Python. With Python you may have numerous errors and never encounter them until the place in the code is actually used. So you may use it at first or you may never use it, depending on the circumstance. And it turns out that I had no brackets in here where they should be, and right now the robot runs. So that problem has been solved. And now it should do line following, although it is slowly to run. And it says no such device. That is strange. Once again, run. And this one is not doing a thing right now, so let's look at it. And this is strange. That means that I have no connection with the robot. Somehow. Let's take the diagnostics interface, open it. Data link is alright. Motor. Yep. Motor. Yep. This means that the connection is alright. Cancel. I said cancel. Close. And there it runs again. Following the line. Although slowly, but it does follow it. And there's a clear connection. So the fact that on the convention lately, or recent convention, it didn't run was based on a typo in a part of the code that apparently previously wasn't used before, or not much. And once again, no such device, so that is strange in a sense. I'm not trying to use the colors. It does run, so that's nice. Do I test for sonar? Yes, I will. Alright, now that I'm trying for the sonar, and you can see that for the object that I just put there, it gives distances. Afstand is Dutch for distance, and various distances, but does it actually work out? Because in the diagnostic interface it didn't work out. Let's try again. Does it notice something at all? Or detect something? Open. And there's nothing here. So that's a bit strange. Nothing at all. Let me also take this wire out of the way. Hopefully. And that's not good. Okay. Let's just run it and see whatever happens. I hear the motor whine and immediately stop. Yeah, now it goes. And it should respond to object and push it away. So, but it does respond to it, and it doesn't stop detecting a line. So, in a way, the sonar does work. So why doesn't it detect it in the test interface? I'm not quite sure, but it's the proof that it does work. Any more tests? No, it has been proven. It works, and With the Python there's no problem, with Linux there's no problem. There was just a slight typo, and why I had overlooked the typo in the past, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, it's nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and you can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. You can also support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. More information, see my website under this video. And it'd be nice to show this old robot for me again, which is still functional. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.